Hello everybody, it's Tom and Carlos again, and we are WhatWorks, the website and a web-based application development company. And today we want to talk about a little application we developed for one of our clients. And a challenge here was they do have a lot of field representatives, and they often find themselves without the internet, which is strange but true. So the challenge was the first suggestion was interactive PDF. That was suggested by the client, but at the same time they expect functionality which basically is associated only with the website. So that was the first challenge, and the second challenge was they wanted to be able to update this stuff. So what do we do, Carlos?
Well, it's simple actually. Well, like Tom said, how do you get the best of both worlds? Have a website that can function as an offline app, operating independently without any internet connection, and at the same time simultaneously update itself whenever it's available. In the web world, this is known as a HTML5 app, which is kind of like a hybrid. It's a cross between a standard, your typical website that you would normally browse over the internet, and a native iPad application that you would get off the Apple store. Now, we came up with a solution that allows us to update the website without the need for a constant internet connection, so it can run offline. And of course, it does this without any third-party installation or any special hacks or jailbreaking, and it works right out of the box. It works on any iPad right out of the box. There's no need to install anything, of course. We're just going to run you through a quick tour of this particular app that we developed for DSM, one of our clients, and they requested this interactive PDF-like website.
So basically, what we have just to summarize, we have something which looks like a standard website. It's all HTML5. There is no tricks. It's all pure code. And the moment you open up this application, you can bookmark as you bookmark each and every website. It's not an application; it's a website. At this moment, this website actually downloads itself to your device.
Right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and launch the application, which is already installed on screen here. You can see there's an icon here.
We should, I think, just briefly go to the process of how do you actually...
From the very beginning?
Yeah, how do you migrate from
Okay, fine. So I'm going to launch the Safari browser like I would for any site. I'm going to go ahead and stop this. All right, so I'm going to open the web address. So it's DSM5. I have a shortcut here. DSM5. Okay, I'm going to navigate to the site as I normally would any other site. You can see as the website launches. At this point, the website is doing something behind the scenes. It's downloading itself. The entire contents of the website is being downloaded as we speak to the iPad, locally on the iPad's local storage. And it does this seamlessly without any user interaction. It doesn't require any confirmation or any special action from the user. And you can browse the website, you can interact with it, play around with it as you would any other website, and while simultaneously it's downloading itself to the screen. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and click on the shortcut key here in Safari,
and this is not a special feature,
right? By the way, this is all standard. Everything I'm doing here, Safari, the iPad installation, iOS 5, all of this is standard out of the box. All of these options here are available to any user, any iPad user. So there's a special option here, Add to Home Screen. If you click that, the website is going to go ahead and provide an icon and a label. And I'm just going to relabel that, DSM offline. And I'm going to simply click Add, and it's going to instantly become a new item on your home screen. So at this point, the website's installed itself as an app. It's downloaded itself. All the resources necessary for this website to function offline is now on your iPad locally. So at this point, you can turn off your Wi-Fi. You could go hit the road, and use the website as you normally would with Safari. With the exception that instead of opening Safari this time, I'm going to go ahead and open the app, which is actually the HTML5 app at this point. So I'm going to launch that. It's going to take a little time to load. And here's the website exactly like it was on Safari. You can notice here that you have a little more screen space. There's no toolbar, there's no Safari. The entire screen, the website is now full screen and it's operating offline.
So it behaves like an app at this point.
At this point, it's behaving like an app.
And we bypass the App Store. We
bypass the App Store. Everything's there's no need to go through any authorization from Apple to use this. This is all based on open standards. It's a standards compliant website, functional not only on the iPad but as well as virtually any modern device out there, cell phones, iPhone,
so we Android. Can adapt this to the any size.
This can be adapted to any screen size, virtually any desktop, Mac, PC, laptop, you name it.
Now, what about the updates at this point?
At this point, because we have an active internet connection, on every time the app is launched, it's gonna do a quick check up on itself to see if there's anything from.
So if anything was changed on the original website, it's going to be downloaded automatically.
Exactly. And this all, of course, happens automatically, implicitly, without any user interaction. There's no need on your end to do any strange, awkward install, reinstall, uninstall, etc. It does this all automatically. And the updates are applied instantly as soon as you launch the app, the HTML5 app. So I'm going to go ahead, I'm going to interact with the website just to show you that it's fully functional.
So whatever we've seen on the original website, it's
available offline. Every page, every resource here is available offline now. And as you noticed, it didn't require me to navigate the entire website in order to get all the pages and all the content on my iPad. It was all done automatically for me. All the content available to the website, including automatic updates, any changes, pictures, etc. And I can navigate the site as I would in Safari. There's absolutely no difference between the app interface and the website interface. The only exception is with Safari you have the toolbar.
Perfect.
Available.
So there you have it.
Right. So
it is a website. Open up the website. You can download this.
Right.
I mean, download it itself actually to your device. You can work offline, and at the same time, whatever changes you're going to make on the main website, it's going to be reflected automatically on your application at this point. So I think job well done.
I think it's a job well done.
Thank you, and see you next time.
Thank you.